Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are well and safe at home. A very warm welcome to all the students of class 2nd to today's English grammar class. We are going to learn the topic punctuation mark today. Myself, Swati Malik, will help you to learn this lesson well. Children, we will learn about the punctuation marks today. This is chapter 27, Punctuations. Meaning of punctuation. Punctuation marks means the sign used in writing to separate a sentence and its parts. We use these marks in sentence to clarify its meaning. Various punctuation marks are used in sentences to make it more clear. 4 types of punctuation marks used in this chapter are full stop, comma, question mark, and exclamation mark. First punctuation mark that we use in our sentence is a full stop. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. We use full stop at the end of all assertive or imperative sentences. For example, the flower is very beautiful. This is an assertive sentence. Here we have used a full stop in the end of sentence. Basically, full stop denotes the end of sentence, whether it be an assertive sentence or an imperative sentence. Here you can see, have mercy upon us. This is an imperative sentence. Here also we have used full stop at the end of sentence. Full stop tells us where to end a particular sentence. It helps us in knowing that where to stop the sentence. Next punctuation mark is a comma. The comma is used to show a little pause. It is used, first one, to separate a series of words in the same construction. For example, she was young, beautiful, kind, and intelligent. So here we have used comma to separate the series of words of same construction, which are of almost related meanings: young, beautiful, kind, and intelligent. One more thing, children. Here is one note. Look at it. We usually use the word and in the place of a comma before the last word in the series or list. As you can see in this example also, before intelligent, N is used. The last word in the series of commas, we use end. Second one, to separate each pair of words joined by end. Let's have a look at this example. These items are available in black and white, red and yellow, blue and green. Here we have used comma to separate the pair of words that are used together with end. For example, black and white, red and yellow, blue and green. These are 3 categories. To separate these categories, we have used commas. Third one, to separate a direct quotation from the rest of the sentence is the teacher said, comma, the earth goes round the sun. Here, comma is used to separate the quotation word from the other part of the sentence. The teacher said, comma. Here the quotation started as the teacher had said. The earth goes round the sun. So we use comma before the direct quotation of the sentence. Fourth one, to mark off word used in addressing people. How are you, Ayush? So here we have used comma to address a particular person, Ayush. Let's move on to the next slide. Children, next punctuation mark is question mark. I hope everyone knows about question mark. Yes, the question mark is used after a direct question as when will the train stop? What are you doing? So whenever we ask a question in the sentence, we use question mark at the end of those sentences. The next punctuation mark that we use is an exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used at the end of words that shows joy, sorrow, wonder. These words are called interjections. For example, hooray, we've won, we have won. Alas, he has died. Oh, he has gone. So we use exclamation after the word which denotes joy, sorrow, or wonder. Capital letters. Capital letters are used in various places. First one, to begin a sentence. We always have to begin a sentence using a capital letter. For example, he is a good boy. So H always will be in capital letter if it is in the beginning of the sentence. Second one, to begin each fresh line of poetry. Look at this poem, children. I hope you all have heard this poem. But notice one thing, that each line of this poetry starts with capital letter, like twinkle, how, up, and like. All these starts with capital letter. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Third one, to begin all proper nouns. Do you remember, children, what are proper nouns? Yes, the special names of person, place, animal or thing are called proper noun. So before every proper noun, we start it with a capital letter. For example, name of person like Rakesh, Archana. Name of place like Agra, India. All proper nouns begins with capital letter. Fourth one, to write the pronoun I. So this is a special pronoun. Wherever it is used, it is always written in capital letter. My friend and I went to the market. So here, look at I. I is written in the capital letter. Hope children, everyone had understood the chapter well. Okay, let's move on to our worksheet session. Exercise A. Rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters and full stop. First sentence is, I met Richa at the post office. So here in this sentence, what you have to see first, children? You have to see that first letter of the sentence must be capital one. So convert I into capital I. The next, I met Richa. Richa is a proper noun. So convert R into capital letter. So here is the sentence, and last but not least, put a full stop at the end of this sentence. So 3 changes are there. I met Richa at the post office. Second sentence, Sarita is an old friend of mine. So first letter must be a capital one. So convert S into capital letter. Sarita. Then put a full stop at the end of sentence. Third one, Chinese is difficult to learn. Again, first letter must be capital. Then last one, put the full stop. Fourth one, Miss Sonal is my teacher. Again, Miss Sonal is a proper noun. So it starts with the capital letter. Miss, M, because it is the first alphabet of a sentence. Then Sonal, because it is a proper noun. Then full stop at the end of sentence. Miss Sonal is my teacher. They still live in that house. Here, first letter must be capital letter. So convert it into capital T. Then last one, put a full stop. Exercise B. Rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters, commas and full stops. Okay. Then question 1. He drew the picture neatly, quickly and beautifully. So let us start. First letter must be capital letter. So convert H into capital H. Then he drew the picture neatly, quickly and beautifully. So what do you feel, children? You have already studied. These are the series of words of same construction. Neatly, quickly and beautifully. So here we will put a comma between neatly and quickly. Then end the sentence with a full stop. Same way we'll do other questions also. India, Bhutan and Sri Lanka participated in conference. All India, Bhutan and Sri Lanka are proper nouns. So this will start with capital letter. And it will be separated with commas. India and Bhutan. Then full stop at the end. Students study English, Hindi and science in the secondary school. Again, construction of sentence, same words, same construction is used. English, Hindi and science, all three are subjects. So we will start with S as the capital letter, then English E as the capital letter, Hindi H is the capital letter and science. English and Hindi will be separated with comma. Then full stop at the end. Same way we are supposed to do question 4th and 5th. We should include fruit, vegetable, milk and pulses in our diet. We should include fruits, vegetables, comma, milk and pulses in our type. Full stop. They visited Agra, Lucknow and Delhi. They visited Agra, comma, Lucknow and Delhi. Full stop. Exercise C. Rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters and full stop or question mark. First one, hooray, we won the match. Hooray is the word which denotes joy. So we will use an exclamation after hooray. Then we'll begin the sentences with the capital letter. We have won the match. It ends with a full stop. Alas, they died in the accident. Alas denotes sorrow. So we will use exclamation mark after alas. Then we begin our sentence with the capital letter. They died in an accident. Full stop. Next one. Hello, what are you doing? Hello is expressing wonder. So here also we will use exclamation mark. Then we begin our sentence with the capital letter, that is W. What are you doing? But what are you doing is a question. So we will end this with a question mark. Fourth one. Ah, this tea is good. Again, we use exclamation after ah. This tea is good. Full stop. Hush, you will wake up the baby. Again, we use exclamation mark. Then we start our sentence with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Thank you, kids. Have a nice day. I hope you all have enjoyed your today's session well.